Hi guys, yesterday I made a video but I accidentally delete my video, my whole video. It was about 13 to 15 minutes, I don't know. Anyway, what was going on in this video? I was testing my wind reduction system, which I set on the camera, and it's doing pretty well. I can show you a picture of it, how it looks like, and it works. I think it works. I don't know. It's more windy than yesterday, so we can see the ultimate test. It's very a pity that I couldn't show you the footage from yesterday because I met a horse in the forest. We can go to the forest, but I don't know if the horses are there, but we can try. We will try it. Okay, let's explore. It's 29 degrees. First of all, we're gonna go to the border between Berlin and Brandenburg. We go to another forest. Because we were in the forest on the left side, and this time we go on the forest on the right side when we go this way. It looks like there is a thunderstorm or something later on. Looks like bad weather's coming. So let's speed a little up. Because I have no umbrella with me. I know it's refreshing with 29 degrees, but it's awkward with the clothes on. So here is the border between Berlin and Brandenburg. There on the left side you can see a piece of the wall. A piece of the wall. As memorial. So nobody could forget these bad times. This is a nature reserve from Brandenburg. Here we can see a little lake. Looks a bit small. It is small, but it's not small like it looks like in the camera. There's pretty much of grass, and behind the grass there's more. Ooh, look at this. I hate spiders. I don't know if you can see that. This lake looks really rough, but it doesn't stink or something. I love to be in nature, listening to the birds. So let's see where we come out here. You can see at the front there you can ride horses when you pay for. You can ride a horse. But I never did that because I'm afraid of the wheelchair. No, but I will do this in the future, I think. Oh, here's a chill place. Oh, what the hell? Someone was taking a shit here, I think. That's a nature reserve. Don't let your garbage here. Here's also a good spot to see the lake. Behind the shelf. Everywhere garbage. It's so sad to see that. In such a wonderful environment. I like how the trees are growing here. It's so natural. Look at this. Just kidding. Anyway, what do you think how old I am? I'm 31. I know I don't look like that, but I was born 1998, 1989, I mean. My bad. Because the German numbers are spelling the other direction. 89 is 89 in German. It looks like that there are crocodiles inside. But there are no crocodiles. Hopefully. Everywhere insects. I hate insects. And shout out to Mike, who told me that I have to use a wind reduction muff. Oh, what's that? It looks like a dead mouse. Yes, it's a flat dead mouse. Yeah. A mouse. I don't want that the flies touch my legs when I cross this way. So I hurry up. Oh. Burns at my leg. The plants. Let's go this way. So yesterday I walked here in the deleted video, and I saw a horse over there. It was standing there, and I tried to approach to the horse, but the horse ran away. It looks cool. Yeah, but sadly I don't have this footage anymore, because I always try to keep my computer clean, and I always delete stuff that I don't use, and accidentally I deleted. It was still uploading to YouTube, you know, and okay, but I couldn't restore it. I was trying to, but anyway, today is a better day to film because it's so windy, so we can see if that works. No one is riding the horses, I see. Here are the horses. So I hope you enjoyed the little hike we have together, and subscribe to me if you haven't already. I'm always very happy about every comment and every thumbs up that I get, and yeah, I just want to say thank you to you. See you next time. Stay tuned. I can hear some frogs here. But there's no way to get in. Always be careful with this Brennnessel in Germany. When you touch that, it hurts. It hurts very much. But you can also do a nice tea of it. Brennnesseltee. Look how windy it is.